So my name is Wang. I'm originally from Serbia and I'm art historian and I'm in cultural studies.
My name is Matilda. I'm from Stockholm, Sweden, and I have a bachelor's in media communication.
My name is Jiawei Wang. I'm from China. My background is in medical engineering and public health.
Hello everyone. My name is Edson Kuzengwa. I have a bachelor in computer science and I'm here at Openlab.
And my name is Bertha and I live in Sweden. I'm originally from Namibia and I'm studying at Stockholm Brazilian Center at Stockholm University.
My name is Panta. I'm from Lesotho. I have a background in computer science. And we are Norrbor.
So now that you met us, I just wanted to introduce our project first of all. So our challenge givers who are here today, they are Norra Innerstaden District or Norra Innerstaden District Office. And here is a map of Norra Innerstaden, which is newly established administrative unit from 2023 by merging Norrmalm and Östermalm with the population of approximately or a bit more than 150,000 people. So who are they and what do they do? They're very important in providing many services for different groups, primarily vulnerable groups when it comes to citizens, but also being a contact point for tourists and for other people living in the area, for example, businesses. They provide help to both elderly people, but also great help when it comes to, for example, preschools or providing social service help and psychological help for both individuals and families. Our challenge is very much connected also to another very important administrative decision, which is New Service Act, which is coming into force this year. And the idea of the Service Act basically is to provide help a bit in advance, so in order to also to lower down the costs. So from there, we received, or the point of view that was given to us by challenge givers is how might Norra Innerstaden District Office administration offer public services and design activities in a way that is relevant, meaningful and beneficial for the people of Stockholm. From that point of view, we started, which is, as you can see, very much service-oriented, and we rephrase it slightly into how could we bring the district office closer to Norra Innerstaden's residents and visitors by designing spaces that cultivate a sense of connection and community. So the rephrased one is much more relational. So that is how we started, and this is how we proceed.
Firstly, we start to tackle this challenge. We started by visiting different public service spots around the city, including cultural centers, including parks, libraries, and the other district offices. So we did interviews and also we did observation. The basic idea was to get how public service work and also how people interact with public services in their daily lives and their experience, and also to get their experiences of the public service. In parallel, we did desk research where we were like, the main reason was to get a basic idea of how public services work. And we also did an online survey to get the same idea, to get the same insights. It helped us to reach people who we were not able to reach. So what we got from those activities was people were not aware of the district office, and they are really willing to work with the district office, and they appreciate the area that they are living in. So this is us where we were interviewing people and going to different parts of the city and immersing. Yeah.
And in Norra Innerstaden, we identified 3 key personas in our resident groups. The first one is Maria, a 65-year-old Swedish woman newly retired from the sustainability industry. She cares deeply about her community and the environment. The second one is Eric, a 40-year-old father. He wants to have a more quality family time, but he is struggling to balance his work with meaningful activities with his children. The third one is Alicia, a 30-year-old woman who needs more accessible information on job hunting and financial support. So based on these personas, we immersed ourselves into their perspectives and conducting empathy exercises to understand their emotions. And this process shaped our solutions, ensuring us to identify their diverse needs more effectively.
Yeah, based on what we did, we have identified, we developed our key themes, our red threads. The first one, as you can see, is about bringing the district office closer to the people, to the residents and visitors in the area, and to design the public space and addressing sustainable issues through art. The third one is intergenerational and intercultural interactions. And the fourth one, as you can see, is integrating usability and technology to solve everyday challenges. So from this, we have identified like five solutions. The first one will be about the body system, which I'm going to talk about. The rest, my colleagues will talk about them. We have Norra Art, Norra Connect, and Let's Play, and Stadscykel. I will start with the body system. The body system is meant to help the local people connect, and it is about like people of all ages coming together, meet, have coffee, snacks, or drinks, and socialize and share skills together, just to get to know, to be part of the community and to feel connected, to feel safe, and to socialize and to be part of this beautiful community that they are very proud of. And in that case, we also feel that when you have a body system, you minimizing the feeling of loneliness, because isolation is a problem it's not only in Stockholm, but in many cities. It's a city problem worldwide. That's it about the body system, and we continue.
Yep. So the Let's Play. This one was one of our solutions that we came up with, trying to imagine a world where we have kids playing with their parents in the parks, where they could connect and see, engaging with the caregivers, so that they could bring a sense of social awareness. So, this would be one of the points where people could meet the district office staff, and they could collaborate in the Norra Art exhibition and creative studios. So, if they have anything going on in society, they could contact and have a go-to solution of any challenge that they are facing. And as you can see, so Eric, because he has some family issues, so we selected him as a persona who represents this as a concerning issue to him. So he needs more of a social space where he can at least live with the kids and let them play, because we featured Eric as having a child who is having a disability of hearing, so it can be a bit problem to parent such a kid. Yeah. And here is the other solution. We call it Norra Connect. So Norra Connect was really about allowing conversation and creating a sense of community and safety, minimizing feeling of loneliness. So we featured this solution as having different spaces where people could scan QR codes and see a list of events that are happening around Stockholm, because there are many events that usually happen from one to time, but it's difficult to gather them into one place. So we thought this could be a greater solution to solve that. But it got a risk because of security. It's an issue that it was stated before that they use some of this to, drugs and stuff. So we thought we could maybe develop a different solution to still tackle the problem.
So here comes our Norrbor solution, which is designed to use public art for raising public awareness of sustainability challenges in Norra Innerstaden. These create welcoming spaces with shading areas and settings for fun and interaction. And in this picture, you will see a children's drawing attached to a public transportation, adding some playful and youthful vibe to the city. This solution might be helpful to brighten the urban landscapes and potentially fostering a community spirits. And this solution is closely connected to our persona named Maria and Eric.
And then we have the Stadscykel, which is meant to improve the public dialogue between the city district itself and its citizens and visitors. And some key features of it is the mobility of it. They're mobile and visible, and they're also a place where the district office can connect with people and understand the people they are usually dealing with through mail or other mediums. And we see this as a hub for information, where it's provided in various forms for different target groups. This is what it might look like. This is the minimal viable product for this first solution. This is just a bike with Norrbor. And connected to this solution, we have Eric here as well. Then, through the iterative process of design thinking, we wanted to combine all of our solutions. So we came up with roll-in office. I didn't realize this animation was on. It's very intense. But this is to kind of tackle our overall point of view from a more holistic approach. This is what it might look like. So this is a moving booth on wheels where we incorporate many of our different solutions. For example, Norr Art, where you can see over there, there's painting or arts and craft supplies, and there's also information that's the flyers with seeds in them for flowers, so you can just plant them and then read them, get to know what you need to know, and then plant them, bury them. And also fika, that's in affordable prices. And this is another example of what we envision with the roll-in office.
So, as Matilda mentioned, I would like just to shortly underline some of the general features. General features here are mainly taken from Stadscykel. So our final solution is adaptable. It comes in different versions and variations depending on weather, but also kind of being very appealing or eye-catching. So that is something that we also, while we were testing our solution, realized that it was very eye-catching and many people were stopping by. It's mobile, of course. Sustainable, I guess I don't need to say about sustainability and bicycle, but when it comes to, for example, Wang, we were thinking about more eco-friendly alternatives like or electronic Wangs. It is accessible, meaning that anyone who comes out on the street can access it, which was also important. So there are no stairs, nothing that would prevent people come there, and it's safe. So those are the features all general features which were taken from Stadscykel. But then, as it was said before, we have also some additional features which were inspired by other solutions. So, for example, Norr Art's part when it comes to promoting sustainability, for example, by delivering seed paper posters that raise awareness about both social issues and sustainability. It's both eye-catching, but is also focusing on sustainability. And then we have another feature, which is playfulness. And both Body System and Let's Play have that playfulness in them, no matter is it like intergenerational playground, where is something that part is also something that we would like to integrate in some way into our final solution, or if it's a kind of joint community event like Ride Long. So those are additional features that we added. So with that, we are ending our presentation today and looking forward to your questions and comments.